Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Have received several social media reports of flooded roadways around downtown Fort Worth and the North Richland Hills area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, northern Ellis County in north-central Texas, southeastern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Wilmer to near Waxahachie, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, DeSoto, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Ennis, Midlothian, Seagoville, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Kaufman, Hutchins, Wilmer, Ovilla, Crandall, Ferris, Palmer, Combine, Tulsi, Oakleaf, and Grays Prairie. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 400 and 415. Interstate 20 between mile markers 470 and 476, in between mile markers 506 and 510. Interstate 45 between mile markers 257 and 277. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Flash flood warning remains in effect